Killer whales spotted in waters just off the coast of Montego Bay. Swimmers are being warned.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Jamaicans are being cautioned not to get into the water with the killer whales that have been spotted off the coast of Montego Bay in St. James. A short video purportedly of the group of whales in waters just offshore the second city is making the rounds on social media and has many Jamaicans excited at the rare sighting.
Killer whale, yeah.
Hey, right here. Right here.
Oh my goodness.
Dude.
Mark, do you see
Yes,
that?
I see it. It's amazing.
Oh, go get him. Holy
It looks like
oh!
I want to jump in.
Don't jump in. Oh, sweet. Hey, you're on video, Mark. Good video. Oh my goodness, look at them.
Oh, yeah.
While there have been no reports of killer whales hurting humans in the wild, it is best to keep a safe distance from the huge animals. It ought to be noted, however, that where these whales have attacked humans, it is usually in captivity. We have to be aware that these are wild animals, so it is not recommended that anyone try to get into the waters with them. If you are in a boat, don't get too close to them, and don't approach them too closely or too rapidly. Such actions can affect their behavior. The video of the group of whales suggests that there is at least one calf among them. They may be very protective of that calf as well, and when you have a lot of boats in an area attempting to follow a group of dolphins, it tends to affect their behavior. Killer whales are dolphins. If their behavior is affected, they may, for example, leave an important feeding ground. To avoid interrupting the behavior of the whales, the animals should be viewed from a respectful distance. As to why they may have shown up in Jamaican waters, it may be their natural grounds or part of their migratory route. The possibility is that they may normally be found in Jamaican waters, but farther offshore. Some years ago, the Negril Marine Park had photographed some killer whales along with sperm whales off the coast of Negril. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.